In section 3.6, we're going to talk about compound inequalities, and the word compound means when you have a couple things joined together. So for example, down here, if all the answers are all the numbers on the planet that are greater than 2 and also less than 6, we could kind of graph that on the number line here. Here's all the numbers greater than 2, and here's all the numbers less than 6. So in other words, all the answers are all the numbers in between those two. So this is called a compound inequality where the answers are between 2 and 6. So if x equals 0, that's not a solution. X equals 3 is a solution. 4, 5, 5.9, 2.1, and so on are all solutions. I often like to use the analogy, if you are wearing a blue shirt and jeans, you're a winner. Blue shirt and jeans. The word and means both. So you had to be both greater than 2 and less than 6 here to be a winner. The word or is a little bit different. If I say you have to be wearing a blue shirt or jeans to be a winner, well, that's a whole different set of logic and a whole different group of winners. So let's look at that example. If you are a winner if you're less than 2 or greater than 6, let's graph that inequality. Here's 6, here's 2. Greater than 6 would be up there. Less than 2 would be down here. So you're either here or you're here, and you're a winner. If you are 3 through 5 or 2.1, you're a big fat loser. Big fat loser. But 5.9, also loser. Okay? But 6.1... 6.2, 6.3, 6.01, winner. Anything bigger than 6, winner. Anything less than 2, loser. You've probably seen these before. These are called Venn diagrams. These are often on like ACT or OGT tests. Venn diagrams. We have a blob of numbers here. Blob of numbers and another blob of numbers, and there's some overlap here. This would kind of be like the people that are wearing blue shirts, the people that are wearing jeans, and then in the middle would be the and portion. This would be the blue shirt and the jeans wearing people. In the case of an or, it's called a union, where you are joining the two groups of numbers together. So you have this blob of numbers are winners, or you're over here. So either you're here or you're here. Here we have a compound inequality. What this says is the sum of x and 2 is always bigger than 4 and at the same time less than or equal to 8. So how we solve that is we deal with it on 3 sides of an inequality. We subtract 2 on all 3 sides and we get like this. Okay? Now what this says is that x is between, it's greater than 2. See, the alligator's eating the x. X is greater than 2, but it's also less than 6, all at the same time. So if we were to graph this on the number line, this would be one of those that looks like this. Here's 6. Here's 2. X is in the middle of 2 and 6, so we would graph it like this. We'd put an open circle there, go all the way up here, put a closed circle, and connect the dots. That's called a compound inequality joined by an and statement. Well, we're almost done here. Once we have an or statement, all you do is you work the two sides separately. So we're going to add 4 on both sides. We say a is greater than 5, or if we add 4 on both sides over here, we get a is less than 1. So we come down here to our number line, we put 1, we put 5, a is less than 1, or a is greater than 5. So that's how we graph that. So when you have an or statement, the arrows are always going to be going away from each other, and when you have an and statement, you will be connecting a line segment in between. All right, good luck on your homework. This stuff is pretty easy. Good luck.